How do I use the TravelMaster download app? Tickets bought online can be loaded to your smart card using the TravelMaster download app with an NFC compatible Android or iPhone device. To load tickets to your smart card using the app, open the app on your device and you will see this screen. Hold your smart card to the NFC reader and it will read the card. You should see a screen like this. This will show you what's on your card already. To load any waiting tickets, keep the card against the NFC reader and tap the Check for Updates button. This will load any tickets that are pending. To use your loaded smart card, hold the card to the Smartcard Reader Panel on board the bus, or present your smart card to the tram or train conductor, who will scan it with their machine. For more information, visit sytravelmaster.com.